Hello everyone and welcome back to the 7 Phases channel. I am Omkar Sanap and I am an animation and VFX student. So I will keep posting content like this. So make sure you subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of my videos firstly. So let's talk about today's video. So today's video is about how to create a pond in Maya. So let's begin. So to create a pond in Maya, firstly go to the FX tab and then go to fluids, and in this option click here in the option box and set the size as your accordingly. I will set it to 50. Okay, then hit create pond. So set your camera as you want. I will set it like this, and we have to change only 4 to 5 settings, that's all. So select the pond and make sure you are going in the textures tab. After going in texture tab, make sure you click the texture opacity, and you can see some deformations in the container. So I will turn off the grid so you can see it clearly. Now this is the uh, texture type Perlin noise. There are various types, you can toggle through anyone below. These are the various texture types you can see: volume, wave, wispy. I will go with space time because this suits for me. Okay, so after setting the texture type as you require in your scene, so the settings you have to change is the amplitude ratio, frequency ratio, and depth max. So firstly, let's go with the amplitude. Amplitude is the setting which defines the wave height. So this is it. I will go with a very low number. Okay, this much will be fine with me. Ratio, you can see changes how much depth you want in this, and the frequency ratio is the number of waves in this container. So you can see if I increase the frequency ratio, the number of waves are increasing in the particular area. So I will keep it as by default and increase the depth to 3. By default it is 2, so you can set it to 3. And then if you want to animate these waves, you have to just go to texture time. You can animate it manually just by setting keys. Go to first frame, set key, and go to last frame and set another key, or you have to just create expression. Right click on this texture time and create new expression. This window will pop up, and you just have to do is copy the selected option attribute, this text, copy and paste in it, and just you have to add something is you have to type equals to time into 0.5 or 4, 5, 6, any number you wish as you want to animate. If you want to animate faster, you will put some higher values, or if you want a slow animation, you have to just put some lower values. So I will go with 0.2 and just end this expression. So after putting this, after your expression is done, just hit create. So you will get some animated waves like this. Yeah, now you have done with the pond creations. Now just what the thing you have to do is go to modify, convert, and from fluids to polygons. Okay, now your container or your wave is converted into polygons. So we can assign new materials and we can render it. So assign a material, right click, assign new material. I will assign this ocean shader. Okay, so you can see ocean shader is assigned. I go to settings, render settings. From Arnold I will switch to mental ray. Go in scene, and I will create image based lighting, or you can create physical sun and sky as your requirement. So I will select the image whichever you have needed. I will go with this because this has a nicer clouds. Okay, So after assigning the HDRI, you have to rotate it and make sure that scene has just clouds, nothing else. And move it down. Yes. Now if you render, just to check that how it looks, so make sure you have the lowest resolution possible just to check our render how it looks. Set your camera angle like this and just make sure you render. Okay, so this is your render. If you this ocean is not looking good because you can see some edges, so if you have to make more smoother, just select the ocean, go to modeling tab and just go to mesh and smooth. So that's it for today. I hope you learned something new, and if you did, make sure you subscribe my channel and see you in the next video. Till then, bye.